Alright, Aces fans, this is Justin in the Proto-Tech shop. I had this Proto-Type Bluetooth module I've been trying out for the past month or so. See, it's a basic black box, cord, and your CAN connection here. So this was the Proto-Type, worked great, excellent. It would connect as soon as you download the APK to your Android phone. However, they just shipped me the actual production type, so we'll open it. Nice box. We got the Asus new stickers. Super nice. So what we'll do is go ahead and unbox. Here's the new cable. It's actually got some nice wrap around it compared to the Proto-Type. Looks like it's the same length. And they also included an extender. Anyways, I'll reach back out to Asus and see what this is for. So there's no CAN splitter yet, so you can only run one CAN device at a time still. Hopefully that gets resolved soon. So here is the Bluetooth module. Here's the Proto-Type. They both look the same, except this has a serial number. The product works really well. I was actually surprised how quick it connected. They actually started including these little pins to get the CAN connectors out because they are a pain in the butt. Whatever style this is, it's horrible and very difficult to get them removed and connected back. But anyways, it's fairly simple. Plug the green in the green, match it up till it clicks. You'll unplug your handheld and you'll plug this in to your main harness. Hope that helps. Thanks, Asus. So we have an Android tablet. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the ignition on with the Asus icon. Be available in the Google Play Store at some point. Right now it's just the APK that they sent. This is a Killshot Fusion that I'm using now, so I'll hit the checkbox. All right, and the sweet thing about this is once you have Bluetooth turned on in your device, let's see if I can get it to show. You can see that the Bluetooth automatically connects. You can refresh or go there to automatically connect, but it's like as soon as it sees Bluetooth, it connects and it's super fast. Right now you just see what a typical dash would display: battery voltage, map, and KPA. So we can hit the gear icon. I hadn't played with this much, but looks like we can select the channel we want. So if you don't want battery, you can select RPM. We can go back. So I think what I want to do here is go back. Set a battery. Let's just change that to RPM, see what it does. We won't be going to no 15,000. This thing barely goes to 5,000, so we'll just set this at 6,000. So you can do the slider or you can do the backspace and enter it, then hit save. Now let's exit back, and you see that it's scaled appropriately and the RPM's in the center. So let's see what logging does. So if we do start log, let's see if we can go back. All right, sweet. So you see the green light is flashing. So now that it's logging and we can actually see our sensor data. Well, I said that, but it says ECU connecting. Maybe it's freaking out. So let's go back to logging. Let's hit stop logged. And then let's go back and see. No, so no, you can't. Wish they would fix that so you could log and actually see your sensor data. It's useful going down the road. So we can go to monitor, sensor data. So it's just like the handheld. Fan control, all your inputs there, ignition timing. Let's go to tuning. So we can go to fuel, cruise, wide open, fuel. Now so you swipe to go to advance. Alright, so system settings. Looks like we're still in Imperial, so or Telemetric. Let's see what we can do to go to map RPM, fuel state. So I'm not seeing the units yet. Display units. So pound per hour. I tune in KPA, so I'm just going to leave it at that. That makes more sense to me. So let's go back and look and see what the screen shows. All right, so we're still in KPA. Now ECT and MAT or IAT is matching fairly close. So Wizard. So it looks like you can do TPS reset and start a new tune just like you can on the display. This stuff's pretty sweet. It automatically connects and works well. I'll show more videos when I make them. Thanks for watching.